Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Chauhan, and in this video, I want to share 5 easy and simple techniques for learning English language. According to that situation, why I'm making this video because lots of people are afraid of lots of things while they are learning something new. So, according to that situation, we can learn multiple things at alone, so don't depend to other, don't depend and don't want any something for learning a single thing. So according to that situation, English language is most easy and efficient and most useful in our life. So according to that, I will make this video with you. So here I want to share my 5 easy and simple tips and techniques with you when we are learning English speaking language. So according to that situation, let's just begin. So first technique is that mirror technique. According to mirror technique, we will just be talk ourselves in front of the mirror. So in this technique, we just stand in the front of the mirror and try to talk with ourselves in multiple way, in multiple expressions. So what is the uses of this technique? I will share. When you are talk with yourself in front of the mirror, then you can noted everything. How is your body language, how you are reacting, what's your expressions, and which types of confidence you are built on that time. So that will most important, and that is the most useful because you can take a confidence when you are talk with someone. So that's why this technique is most important. When you try to speak with someone, then you can get these types of confidence over. That's why the mirror technique is most useful. So second technique is that talk with ChatGTP, and according to that topic, I made these types of two multiple videos in previous way because ChatGTP is most important and that is the machine, so that will effective for our learning English in the chat way and also for speaking and mic etc. what they have. According to that situation, we should also make a single prompt with ChatGTP and react like with ChatGTP. For example, a mother and daughter conversation, shopkeeper and customer conversation, and other etc. examples. So we just use these types of prompt with ChatGTP and try to speak and practicing with ChatGTP. That will also enhance your pronunciations and lots of knowledge in English. So according to that way, we will go ahead, and the technique number 3 is that picture recognition. So in the third technique, we will recognize a single picture in multiple way and make a sentence according to that picture's conditions. So why this is useful? Because when you show a picture, so on the time what you are noted in the picture, what you are like be consuming from this picture, so you just be try to make a single sentence on your mouth and try to speak. So this technique is most useful because when you are on the spot, suddenly meet someone and suddenly you are like have an opportunity to speak English, so you couldn't take up practices and couldn't take any other things for the speaking something. So that will most of efficient and useful for you because when you show something, you will try to make a sentence on your mind and try to speak. So that will useful when you take something unfortunately, so on that time you can't feel nervous. Okay. Technique number 4 is that practicing is most important technique because this is the base of the learning something. So according to that situation, we just be practicing every single day, according to our time and daily routine. Don't need any expensive like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, nothing. Your 45 minutes, your 30 minutes, your half hour is the enough for speaking. So that is the also useful for your English speaking and practicing. Last and fifth technique is that to take a diary and write every single word and sentences. What did you in the day? So what's your daily routine? What you realized, and what do you feel uh, whole day? So according to that condition, you just be write that thing in the notebook. So that will also effective and important. So you just be noted everything in English in your diary or notebook. So I hope you will understood that will that was most important, because according to that technique you can recognize a single spelling on your mind. You will find the written mistake which you are making on the time when you are speaking, like for grammatical mistake, article like a and the these types of article sentence mistakes. So you will find when you are reading something, and after reading you must be check it. So that will also effective and useful. So that's all about that, and I hope you will like that video, and this video is most useful for you. So if you like that video, so like, share and subscribe, and ahead I will make these types of video. So it's enough for today, and bye bye.